Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Apple and I are sitting again at the end of this dock, at the end of this jetty, and we are having breakfast. We have avocado shakes, watermelon, omelets, and we have some bread here, and we have some peanut butter and jelly. So that is our breakfast, and today we are on an adventure to do sightseeing in Galela. And very interesting. I guess we're gonna go see a lake, and we are taking Apple to a little like a sightseeing area that I was at yesterday, and I was really bummed that Apple wasn't with us. So we're bringing everybody today to go look at this thing. I have the drone. It's going to be interesting, and never know what we're gonna see, but that is what we're up to today. And I'm gonna flip the camera around. You guys take a look at this view. And this is where we eat every morning and every evening. So that is it. We're excited. We're excited you guys are coming along with us. Let's get it. If you guys like that viewpoint as much as we did, put it in the comments below. I have nicknamed it Avatar. It is amazing. Yesterday we saw it at low tide. The tide's a little bit up right now, but incredible. Absolutely incredible. It's almost like doing a scuba dive without getting wet. So you can see everything in there. All the coral, all the fish. Amazing. Okay, on to the next.
We are at Duma Lake and we are eating lunch. So we are ordered some food here. This is grilled fish, sambal, some fried bananas, rice, and this is deep fried fish. So I'm hungry. Let's eat.
Morning, everybody. We have checked out of Meti Cottage and we really enjoyed ourselves. It's beautiful, really good time, good food, lots of food, really good service. Very happy with that place. So today we are headed back to mainland Halmahera, and we're meeting our friends, getting in a car. We're driving all the way to the south. So I'm not sure what we'll see, where we're gonna stop, what we're gonna do, but you guys are coming along with us. We have 3 days next, or 3 nights rather, in Jailolo. So we have 2 diving days, probably some sightseeing and whatever. And yeah, we have no idea how that's gonna look. We did get a view of Jailolo really fast when last year we got off the ship, and that was like where we got off a ship and jumped on a boat, and it looked really beautiful, but we did not stop to see it at all. So that is what's going on our way to Jailolo.